My name's Anna. This is my brother William. I have stayed in Hong Kong for 7 years. I was born in Hong Kong.
Do you know anything about coronavirus?
Yes, it is a bad virus that can kill a lot of people. It's over 800 people in Hong Kong who are sick and all over around the world.
How does the virus change your life? What did you do before the virus?
I did before the virus. I could go to parties, go to my favorite restaurants, and I can go to school, and I can go to Ocean Park and Disneyland.
But what happened after the virus?
After the virus, I could not go to restaurants, I could not go to parties, I could not see my friends, I could not go to school.
What should we do to beat the virus then?
We should work together, use our teamwork, and no matter if you're a different country or not, we should try to control the virus and make it go away.
If mommy and daddy can't go to work because of virus, are you worried?
Yes.
Why?
If we don't have work, we won't earn money, and if we don't earn money, we can't buy food, and if we can't buy food, we will be starving, and then we eat the grass and kill the chicken.
Do you want to give any tips to your audience how to protect yourself from the virus?
Yes, I did. I wear a mask, I wash my hands, I shower straight away after I go outside. I don't have goggles, I don't have gloves, so I just do what my mom says.
Why do you think wearing mask is so important?
Because when you cough, sneeze, or talk to each other so close, the droplets will go in your nose and mouth and eyes and hands. And you'll be sick. And your ears.
Anything else do you want to tell your audience about coronavirus?
Yes. If you're sick, you need to go to hospital straight away. Don't go to parties, don't go to restaurants, don't go to weddings, don't go to crowded areas, don't go to shopping mall. And stay at home or go to the hospital. If you on the way to the hospital, you might spread it. So that's why you wear a mask.
If let you make a wish, what wish could be?
I want the virus to go away so I can play with my friends, go to parties, and my mom to buy my walkie-talkie.